Now, let's look at how to keg your brew. Please ensure you've watched the Preparing to Keg video and followed all sanitising recommendations. Insert the Keg Caddy into the 2 slots at the base of the BeerDroid and pull back slightly until you feel it engage. Remove the yellow cap from a keg liner. Firmly screw the keg liner connector onto the keg liner, being careful not to cross the thread. Insert the keg liner into the keg, ensuring that the mesh outer sleeve stays on. Ensure the keg liner connector keys in with the notches on top of keg. Add the contents of any prescribed hops into the keg liner. Take care not to spill any on the top surface of the keg liner connector. If you do, carefully wipe it clean with a paper towel. Fit the keg spear O-ring into the keg liner connector. Then fit the filling cap and screw it down with a cap collar. If you have dry hopped your brew, connect the dry hop filter at this point. For full instructions, watch the BeerDroid using the dry hop filter video. Place the elbow connectors on each end of the filling tube, ensuring to push the tube firmly into the connector. Slide the neck of the keg into the bottom of the Keg Caddy. Connect one end of the filling tube to the BeerDroid's tap, again ensuring you push the connector firmly onto the tap. Then attach to the keg filling cap. Invert the keg in the caddy. Some hop may run into the tube, but this is not a problem as it will be flushed back into the keg when filling. Fully open the tap and let the keg fill. When the fill line reaches the triangle mark on the viewing window, turn off the tap and wait for any beer in the filling tube to drain into the keg. After turning off the tap, invert the keg in the caddy to hang it upright. Gently loosen the connector from the tap by pulling the ring back and pulling down on the connector, allowing any residual liquid in the filling tube to drain into the keg. And then remove the connector from the tap. Remove the other end from the keg and place the filling tube with connectors on a clean surface. Remove the keg from the Keg Caddy and stand upright. Remove the filling cap, and before replacing the keg cap, add 1 primer. Insert the keg spear ensuring the O-ring is in place, followed by the keg cap, and then screw the keg collar on tightly. Repeat the process for the second keg. Congratulations, you have kegged your first brew. Kegs will now need to be stored upright. Your brew should be stored at room temperature at approximately 18 to 25 degrees Celsius or 65 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit for a minimum of 2 weeks while secondary fermentation takes place. The BeerDroid system has been designed to involve minimal mess and cleanup. Once you have completed kegging your brew, clean your kegging components by thoroughly rinsing each item in warm water. It is best at this point to clean your BeerDroid before any internal residues harden. You don't need any special equipment to do this, but refer to the Cleaning Your BeerDroid video if you need to know more.